Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO X200 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset your phone through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application and then scroll all the way down to either system and update or system management. Looks like we're going to be going into system management and reset options, erase all data. Now this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. If you have anything of that sort that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you actually reset the device, as this will delete this data and you won't have any kind of way of regaining it. Anyway, I'm going to select erase all data without backing up anything, as there's nothing I want to back up. I'm going to do it the second time, and this will now proceed with factory reset. Now this process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.